So this is the iMap 7-inch Android 8 car stereo that I recently reviewed, and as you can see, it is dead. D-E-A-D. I've already checked the power connections. There's power to the unit, but it won't turn on. You can see it's dead. Nothing. So I'll contact Banggood and see if we can't get this thing returned. I really like it. I just wish it would work. Maybe we can get a return, get an exchange, get another one. I don't know what happened. It was working fine yesterday. Came home, parked, went in the house, came back out to go to work this morning, and it was dead. So we'll see what we can do with Banggood. Hopefully they can just do an exchange, get a new one, same model. If not, maybe they can give me a credit and I'll get a different one. Maybe a little more expensive one. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot. See you later.